Here I've got HUAWEI P30 Lite, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select sounds. Here you should pick ringtone. And now just come along with all the possible options, starting with bounce. And let me also show you HUAWEI tune. And that's it, then just pick the one that you would like to apply. So let me pick, for example, cartoon. Then let's go back, and as you can see, the ringtone has been already changed. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.